Well, in this video, we're going to be putting concrete forms together. This is the lift station that was taking so long to get that we decided we'd just go ahead and do it. So we rented concrete forms, and here's us setting the walls up. This will be a two-part video. So the first thing we did was put one section together so we could lower it down here with the excavator. So here's the guys laying out for the rebar. In this video coming up right here, you can clearly see the height of this thing. Half of it's in the ground, half sticking out. We got half of the outside wall in. There's a good look at inside the cage as it's being built. That's number 6 rebar. We've used 2 bundles. That's 4,400 pounds of steel in there, costing $1,600 a bundle. That's $3,200 for the steel in there. 18 months ago, I was getting that same rebar for $950 a bundle. The forms are like a big Lego set. Very well thought out, very well manufactured, and most of the time fits like a glove. Ricardo, step back. Let him put that form up there. Step over, buddy. In case he would drop it, I don't want you up under it. Alright. There are times that you done got somebody's forms been twisted, and you might have a few choice words getting it lined up. Them choice words always helps, seems like. So, sit back, grab a beer, and watch the guys put some of these forms together.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night, try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun